Hey adventurers, ready to hit the trail and take on some rugged terrain? Before you go off-roading, it's crucial to make sure you and your vehicle are ready for the journey ahead. We're not talking about a Sunday drive here. This is about pushing limits, embracing the unexpected, and conquering the wild. Today, we're going through all the main steps to prepare for a safe and thrilling off-road experience. So let's dive in. Out here, your vehicle is more than just transport, it's your lifeline. Before tackling those trails, we need to make sure this beast is up to the challenge. First up, tires. Check the tread. We need grip, not a slip and slide show. Lowering the pressure a bit can give you more bite on loose surfaces. Next, pop the hood. Fluids are the lifeblood of your vehicle. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, check them. Low levels, top them off. Don't forget the windshield washer fluid. Now let's talk battery. Fully charged and locked down tight, make sure those terminals are clean and secure. Finally, lights. Headlights, brake lights, indicators, make sure they're all in fighting form. It's all about being seen, especially if you're caught out after dark. Remember, preparation is key. Treat your vehicle right, and it will get you through thick and thin. Now that your vehicle's ready, let's talk about packing. First on the list is your off-road survival kit. A good tow strap is essential. D-rings, a jack, a shovel. These are your best friends when you're stuck. Next up, tire repair kit. Off-roading can be tough on tires. Make sure you've got a patch kit, tire levers, and an air compressor. Now, no self-respecting adventurer leaves home without a basic toolkit. Think wrenches, pliers, duct tape, the essentials. And of course, a first aid kit. Make sure it's fully stocked. Finally, navigation. Don't rely solely on your phone. A good old-fashioned map and compass are invaluable. A dedicated GPS device can be a lifesaver. Knowing where you are and where you're going is crucial. Be prepared for anything. The art of the plan, mapping out your off-road adventure. Start by choosing the right trail. Do your research. Is it suitable for your vehicle and skill level? Start slow and work your way up. Next, tell someone your plans. Let a friend or family member know where you're going. If something goes wrong, they'll know where to find you. Check the weather forecast. Be prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Rain and snow can turn a routine trail into a treacherous obstacle course. Familiarize yourself with the area, study the map, identify potential hazards, make a note of any emergency contact numbers. Knowledge is power, especially in the great outdoors. Trail Wisdom safety tips for off-road champions: drive carefully. This isn't a racetrack. Navigate unpredictable terrain. Keep your speed in check. Communication is key, especially if you're riding with a group. Walkie-talkies or CB radios are your best bet. Regular check-ins can be the difference between a near miss and a serious situation. Listen to your gut, know when to back down. If a trail feels too risky, don't be afraid to turn back. There's no shame in living to explore another day. Tackle challenges with a buddy. 2 heads are better than 1. In a tricky situation, having someone to help can be crucial. Alright, you're now ready to hit the trail with confidence. Just remember to inspect, pack the right gear, plan ahead, and stay safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventure tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next off-road adventure. Stay safe, and happy off-roading.